Hey, g'day guys, it's Wayne here from DIY Not. Just thought I'd make this quick video to show you what I've done with an IKEA kitchen. I'm not going to have all the measurements and stuff yet. I just want to see if people are actually searching this term on YouTube, and if that is the case, then I'll invest a bit more time and energy into making a better quality video. So excuse this one, it's going to be a little rough. I'm not going to edit it, so yeah, we'll just I'll show you as much as I can just in the next few minutes. Yeah, so the main point is so I've seen a lot of chats online of people wanting to know if the new cabinet drawer fronts and doors can go onto the old white carcass, so the actual cabinet of the old IKEA kitchen. They're not compatible anymore. For those of you that don't know, excuse me, IKEA discontinued the Faktum range of kitchens a few years back, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I'm not too sure. They replaced that with a Metod system. Yeah, so the new Metod doors are not compatible with the old Faktum IKEA cabinets, but I've managed to do that. So I'm just going to show you what the result is. So just got a bit going on here, so I'm just going to swing this around. So you'll see there along the top there. And I'm sort of 80% done in here, so obviously I haven't done a splashback or anything like that. So these doors up here, they're new from the new IKEA range. These cabinets, so these are the old cabinets. What I've done with this is I've used a 800 door, so 800mm high door. And I believe these cabinets might have been about 900 from the old system. So I've just cut from the top about 10 centimeters off there. So obviously, if you cut from the top, then you're left with the bottom part untouched, which is obviously a better result because you can see that and you can't see the top. Also got the old hinges too, and I've actually done something pretty unnecessary here. I wanted the door to come down a few mil below I don't know if that's on there, below this, the bottom of the cabinet. So I actually just created, I don't know if you can see that, so I've taken a little wedge out there to allow for this part of the hinge to sort of sit in there. That's absolutely unnecessary. In hindsight, I probably wouldn't do it again. I would just raise the height of the holes that I made for the hinge. So yeah, I guess you would call it a mistake on my part, but I did want that little lip for the door, so however you look at it, that's all good. I think another thing too, I could be wrong, but it seems like the excuse me, it seems like the cabinets, the old cabinets, a hint under the 600 millimeters. So for the standard cabinet, a hint under the 600 millimeters that IKEA state they are. Looks more like 598, 599, which doesn't sound like much, but the doors, whether or not they are the same dimensions as the width rather as the old doors, I'm not sure either, because I actually chucked the old doors out, so I didn't have an opportunity to, well, I did have an opportunity to measure them, but I didn't. I just put a little spacer in between the cabinets. I use 4mm. Judging by the gap that I've been left with, you could probably get away with 2. So I'll just turn around here So this, sorry, this gap here. So I've just got a bit of ply in there, 4mm ply, just to create that space, just so the new doors don't rub on each other. Sort of like, the main reason I did it was for that gap. I just didn't want the drawers hitting each other when they got pulled out. So everything works, everything opens fine without a spacer. It's just, if it's not absolutely perfect, over time they probably will rub on each other, which is not what you want. So if you do have the capacity to create that space, then do it for sure. But like I said, 2mm would probably be fine. I'll just show you. So the main reason I even did this, I'll just swing this around. You'll see a series of 15 total drawers, so 5 sets of drawers all up. And so I actually got them for free off a local trading frickin' thing like eBay or whatever it's called, Gumtree over here in Australia. So yeah, the lady was nice enough to give them away for free. She didn't want to see them going to the into landfill, so that was good. So I'll just show you what I actually got from that. So apart from the actual the white cabinet itself, got all the runners, the drawer runners, all the mechanical side of things, which are probably they're actually pretty expensive. So that was a good little score. So if anyone's familiar with the older IKEA stuff, it's got this greyish silvery sort of a colour to it, and then you'll see a few holes here, two holes here, one up here. So because this door is made for the newer system, those holes are actually to fit the newer model drawer, sorry, which is actually over here. I do have one new drawer in the island, which is just sitting under the oven, which is there. There you go. So yeah, I won't be doing a normal pantry in this kitchen, so I won't be using an IKEA one. So I won't have that information in the next video either. Just bear that in mind. But yeah, I guess the main thing is, yes, they are compatible, the new doors onto the old Faktum system, but there's a little bit of work, and yeah, if people are searching for it and I can see the views and what have you, I'll actually go over those finer details in the next video. So that'll be a lot better quality, probably a lot longer too, because there's a little bit involved, but rather than you guys trying to work it out, I'll have all those measurements for you to try and save you some time, and in the long run, I guess, save you some money if you can just replace the old doors with new ones onto your old kitchen cabinets. So other than that, just trying to think. No. Yeah, we'll leave it at that, I guess. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do this video again. Cheers.